Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Ester Lamia Mosude. I'm a student at Sintowo Maroso University, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education, English Language Study Program. I made this video to fulfill one of the courses this semester, namely Computer Assistant Language Material. This is a teaching and learning process that I do using a laptop and paper as a learning media. In this activity, the laptop that I use helps me make it easier to introduce a song and some interesting films that are still related to the learning material being taught. Children's interesting in laptops make them excited. This photo is a stunting impact seminar that uses a laptop and projector as a media for delivering material. And the last one is the village profile picture in digital form, which I put on Masani personal blog. For making this blog, I use a laptop as a media. Thank you.